He needs space. Will he come back? This video will tell you what to do when he says he needs space. Will he ever come back? I need space. The words you never wanted to hear. Your stomach sinks and you wonder, what is going to make things go back to how they were? Will they ever go back to how they were in the beginning? Back to the good old days when your heart fluttered in excitement and your brain filled with nothing but anticipation and just good feelings about the future and the life you're gonna have. You might even feel like a fool for thinking things were different, and I want you to know that you don't have to worry. I will make sure he comes back, or at the very least, give you the absolute best chance that he will. I will make things the best for you in terms of most effective, giving you the biggest chance to succeed, and so on and so forth. So even if he's your ex-husband, the love of your life, a guy you're dating but don't even necessarily have a relationship with yet, I am gonna make this possible. So the reason that you need to give him space right now is because if he's ever going to come back, giving space is the only way to make it possible, and not giving him space will make it 100% that he will absolutely never come back. You need to know that giving him space means no more clinging on to the idea of the relationship for happiness. He will come back to you when you let go of him. It sounds cliche, but the truth is that cliches exist for a reason. So how do you actually do this? Letting go basically means you give yourself a life that you love to live. So you're never going to be needy. What neediness means is constantly calling, texting, stalking his Instagram, stalking the women that he likes, etc., etc. Instead, you are fun to be around and you can date other people. You're not locked down and you're not in a relationship with, anybody or the guy that you were seeing. So you can kind of have space to date other people if you're not dating. And if you're still dating, then stop before it's too late, because he will not come back and go back to how he is if you don't stop. Suffocating somebody will not bring them back to you. And this is a fact that you might as well accept. All you can do is occupy yourself with things that make you feel good. When you reconnect with yourself, you will be doing yourself a huge favor if you go to no contact, if this is your ex, and if it is a relationship or a guy you're seeing, this is a bit different, but it honestly goes back to this principle. So what is the number one thing to do? Be in a good mood. So managing your mood is essential. Why? Because your mood is what you will give off when you interact with a guy, whether it is your ex, whether it is the guy you like who's ignoring you, whether it is the man you love to abandon you for a woman who you don't understand why he's dating. Giving him space and giving yourself the space that you both need for a relationship to work is key. Men fall in love when they have space. Do not interrupt the process that he absolutely needs to be in love with you. If this is your ex, you really need to use no contact and give him space. That is an absolute. The general rule is always to stop, breathe, and be okay in your own life. Okay, what if it doesn't work? If he doesn't come back after giving him space, there is honestly nothing that you could have done to prevent this. There's nothing that you could have done to make him stop pulling away, and it hurts, but at least you avoided all the drama, heartbreak, and awful feelings of trying to chase after him to get him to stay. So I hope that this has helped you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I will answer as soon as I possibly can. And subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, including my video on exactly how to give a guy space so he misses you and comes back. See you next time.